just here to share some light on the car. I just put this up in, and yeah, I looked to try to find. So all I'm about to do is torque these bolts down, slap this valve cover back on, slap this intake. Don't forget these EGR tubes, array of other sensors, and this the bracket that hold under the throttle. So you got all your connectors, your speedo cable. I took this whole cowl out before when I just put a brake booster on here, so that's why it look like it got so much room. So you go do this job. Have fun. I didn't really like doing it, but hey, it's an extra car. Battery's down here. I took the wheel thing out so I access it quickly. Yeah. So that's all we doing, YouTube. We get back with y'all to see if I can find a video on how I was running before I took it apart. Alright, YouTube, we out.